In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group DM on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and a few helpful tips so you can start chatting with a small group in seconds. First, open Discord on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Look to the very top left corner of the app for the home icon, which looks like the Discord logo. Clicking that brings you to your main inbox area, where all your direct messages live. If you're ever lost in a server or a channel, returning to home is a quick way to get back to your DMs and friends list. Now, in the left sidebar, find the direct messages section. Right next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click it. This is your shortcut to starting a private conversation that includes more than one person without creating a full server. It's perfect for quick planning, study groups, or chatting with a handful of friends in a more focused space. A window will pop up showing your friends. Here, you can select the people you want to include. Just check the boxes next to their names. You can add up to 9 friends, which, together with you, makes a group of up to 10 people. If you have a lot of friends, use the search bar at the top to find them faster. And if someone doesn't appear, it usually means you need to be friends on Discord first before they'll show up in this list. Once you've picked who you want, look to the bottom of that window and click Create Group DM. Discord will create a new conversation and open it right away. You'll see everyone you included listed at the top, along with the chat area where you can start typing immediately. From here, you're all set to talk, share files, drop images or links, and even start a voice or video call if you like. Group DMs are private to the people you've added, which keeps things simple and contained. If the conversation gets busy, you can always adjust notifications later or mute the thread so you're only pinged when you check back in. You can also customize the group by giving it a clear name and organizing your messages with replies or reactions to keep everything easy to follow. And that's all it takes. Open Home, hit the plus next to direct messages, pick up to 9 friends, and click Create Group DM. Enjoy your new space to plan, collaborate, or just hang out without spinning up a whole server.